Hey everyone, Greg from CarID.com and welcome back to the shop. And in today's video, I'm reviewing an off-road accessory that should be a part of every single off-roader's arsenal, and that is a winch. And what better product to review than one from the guys who practically invented it. Now the winch that I have here with me today is from the team over at Warn Industries, and this right here is their 10,000 pound VR series winch. Now whether you drive a full-size truck, SUV, or Jeep, if you really like to wheel the hell out of your vehicle, then having a winch bolted to it is essential. Now for situations like that or any other when you get yourself or your truck in over your head, you need to have a winch. Now Warn has been designing and building some of the best winches in the aftermarket since 1959. So it's safe to say that these guys know a few things about building quality, long-lasting winches. Now Warn does offer a slew of different winch models for trucks, ATVs, and even side-by-sides, but today we're going to focus on their VR series. Now there are two different submodels within their VR series, the VR10-S, which is the top-notch model, and the standard VR, which is really the exact same winch with a steel cable. But the one that I have in front of me today is from their VR10-S line, so let's go ahead and take a closer look at it. So again, this is Warn's VR10-S series winch, the top of the line model within their VR series. Now the one that I have here today is their VR10-S model, so it's got a pulling capacity of up to 10,000 pounds. But of course, a 10,000 pound pulling capacity won't be perfect for every rig, and that's why Warn offers the VR10-S and the standard VR with 8,000, 10,000, and even 12,000 pound pulling capacities. Now if you're not sure how extreme you should go on your own winch, just go ahead and follow the standard rule of thumb, and that is purchase a winch with a capacity that's 1.5 times your gross vehicle weight. Now if you do that, you will always have more than enough pulling power to get yourself out of trouble. Now whichever pulling capacity you do choose, all VR10-S models will essentially be the same. Now each one is manufactured using a strong, durable cast aluminum housing that's coated in an attractive satin black finish. They also use an updated 3-stage planetary gear drivetrain and a 12-volt series-wound electric motor to deliver fast, quiet, and reliable pulling power. Now Warn also upgrades the front of the winch by equipping every single VR10-S with a cast iron hawse fairlead instead of your traditional roller. And behind that fairlead, you can always expect to see the lightweight drum wrapped with their standard duty synthetic rope, which is a big upgrade from the traditional steel cable offered on the basic VR series. Now operation of the VR10-S winch is done using the standard cable remote, which plugs directly into the winch, and the remote does come with a 12-foot cable, so it gives you plenty of room to move around. Now at this point in the video, I usually talk to you guys about the installation. However, with winches, it can get a little complicated. Now, first, I want to mention if you are installing a winch in your rig, I would highly suggest bolting it up to a proper winch tray or an off-road bumper. Bolting a winch directly to your stock bumper will not end well, just trust me on that. Now because all off-road bumpers will vary, the installation will never be exactly the same. Now if you already have an off-road bumper on your truck or are planning on getting one, it's always a good idea to contact the bumper manufacturer directly so you can be sure that the winch that you're buying will fit with no issues. Now once you confirm that, it all depends on your bumper. Some may need to be completely removed to bolt the winch behind it, and other bumpers may allow you to bolt your new winch right on top of it. Basically guys, just do your homework and make sure that you're getting the right winch for the right application. And if you're having a hard time trying to figure that out, just go ahead and give us a call. Our tech specialist can help you point you in the right direction. To sum things up for this video guys, if you're looking for a sophisticated winch with all the necessary features giving you the ability to pull a house down, head on over to CarID.com and check out Warn's VR10-S winch series and all the other great off-road gear that they offer. And as always, I'm Greg from CarID.com, and I will see you guys next time in the garage.